Everyone, welcome into Selenium Python tutorial. Today in this tutorial, we are going to talk about the generating report in Selenium Python. It is important and how it can benefit your automation projects. Having detailed test reports help you understand what went well and what needs to be fixed after running your test case. After running the test cases, you need to generate the report and share with the stakeholders. Suppose you have run the multiple cases and your manager asks to share the detailed report in which we can view the total number of test cases passed and failed. In this tutorial, I will explain step by step how you can generate a report in Selenium Python. So let's begin. Open Chrome browser and search here pytest-html. Click on this link pytest-html. After click on this link, for generating the report by using pytest-html, you need to install this package. This is the command for installing the pytest-html, and 4.1.1, this is the latest version of pytest-html. Copy this command pip install and then package them pytest-html. Copy this and open PyCharm and paste here and then enter. After enter, the package will be installed here. You can view python.exe. This is the command for upgrade the package. For verifying the pip package installed successfully, enter the command pip list show. This is the command for checking the all installed packages. Scroll up and here you can view the pytest-html 4.1.1 has been successfully installed. Now I will explain this login page example. Here I just enter the URL. After enter, wait for few seconds, 2 second wait, and then enter the username and password in password field and then click on the submit button. Here I just initialize the WebDriver. Driver is equal to WebDriver.chrome. For generating the report, you wish to run the test by command line. First enter pytest and then enter the file name. This is the file name, login, and then extension of python.py. Enter login.py and then dash html is equal to. Now you need to enter the location in which you want to save this report. Suppose I want to save the report in C users and then create a folder with name report and then enter the report name. Suppose is report name is report dot and then enter the extension of the report. You want to generate the report in HTML format. So here enter dot HTML and then dash self dash content dash HTML. In this scenario, it will execute this test case, login test case, and then generate the report in this folder C users and then create a new folder with the name report and save report test report.html in this report folder. Let's run this script. Test session starts. Open Chrome browser and navigate to this URL. We can maximize this window by using driver.maximize window and submit. Now here you can view one passed reports. Here we have total 1 test cases, and this test case has been successfully passed. Click on this link, and here you can view the report has been successfully generated in this location. See users slash report. Test report is the report name, and total 1 test has been passed. Saying here, if you have failed test case, here you can view the test case failed. Same as well, we can filter the these passed and failed test cases by uncheck and check this checkbox. This is the duration in which the test case have been executed. This is the version of Python 3.12.5, and re-execute this test. Our machine is Windows, so here window 10 and Java underscore. This is the environment variable in which the Java JDK is set. Some are the benefits of reporting. Generate detailed test analysis. Reports provided a summary of all test results and making it easier to analyze which test passed, failed. It quick debugging. When a test fails, report easily include error messages and stack traces, helping you identify the issue quickly. Clear test evidence. Report takes a record of test execution, which can be shared with stakeholders. You can share the reports with stakeholders. For generating saved time, instead of manually checking logs, you get a structured summary of the result, which saves a lot of time. In this report, you can view the total number of test cases passed and failed, and how much test cases are skipped. That is for today tutorial on generating reports. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe to FSK World for more automation tips and tutorials. See you in the next tutorial.